How to log in to Microsoft Teams account. So if you want to log into your Microsoft Teams, then first you need to open up your Microsoft Teams application. And once you open your application, you can also go for your web browser, or you can choose your application. If you want to go with your browser, then you can open up your browser and you can go for the search bar and you can search for Microsoft Teams and go for www.microsoftteams.com, and it will take you to the website, and you can go for sign in, which is on the upper right, and sign into your account. But if you have the application, then you can go for sign in, or you can go for use another account. And here you need to enter your email or your phone number or your Skype. So I'll be choosing email and then click on next. And here you need to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, go for forgot password to reset or recover it. But you can also go for code so that you will get a code to the email address and you can enter that code without entering your password. But if you remember your password, then enter it and then click on sign in. And once you click on sign in, now go for OK and enter your Windows password or your laptop's password. And now click on continue, and that's it. That's how you sign into your Microsoft Teams. And now you can go and link your phone and you can use your Microsoft Teams. So that's it. That's how you sign into your Microsoft Teams. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.